Hi friends, welcome to Arithmetic Shortcuts, and today topic is profit and loss. Profit and loss is one of the many application oriented concepts which deal day-to-day transactions that happen in one's life. And profit and loss occur when goods are purchased from a seller and subsequently sold to a buyer. Now I will explain you the concepts of profit and loss. Profit. What is profit? Selling price is more than cost price is called profit, and cost price is more than selling price is called loss. Selling price is more than cost price is called profit. Cost price is more than selling price is called loss. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Selling price is more value minus less value. Here loss is cost price is more, so more value minus less value, cost price minus selling price. Example A and B and C are three persons. A purchased an article from shopkeeper, the price is 10,000, and A sold to B, the price is 12,000, and B sells to C, the price is 8,000. And A purchased an article is 10,000, so A person cost price is 10,000, and A sold to B, the price is 12,000. So A person is selling price is 12,000. A is sold to B 12,000. So A selling price is 12,000. And B purchased from A. So B cost price is 12,000 and B sells to C 8,000. So B person selling price is 8,000. And C purchased from B. So C cost price is 8,000. Selling price is more than cost price. Selling price is more than cost price is called profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 12,000. 12,000 minus cost price is 10,000. So profit equal to 12,000 minus 10,000, 2,000. And B cost price is more than selling price. Cost price is more than selling price is called loss. And B loss is cost price minus selling price. 12,000 minus selling price 8,000. So loss equal 12,000 minus 8,000, 4,000. A person profit is 2,000 and B person loss is 4,000. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. Loss percentage, loss by cost price into 100. Profit percent equal to profit is selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100, and loss percentage is loss is cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100. Profit by cost price into 100. Loss by cost price into 100. Now example, cost price equal to 80 and selling price equal to 120. Find profit or loss percentage is. Selling price is more than cost price, so it is called profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit equal to selling price. Selling price is 120 minus cost price is 80. Profit equal to 120 minus 80, 40. Profit is 40 and profit percentage is profit percentage. Profit percent equal to profit. Profit is 40 by profit by cost price. Cost price is 80. 80 into 100. 40 one time, 40 two times. 2 one time, 2 50 times. Profit percent equal to 50%. Profit is 40 and profit percentage is 50%. Cost price equal to 120 and selling price equal to 90. Find profit or loss percent is. Find profit or loss percent is. Cost price is 120, selling price is 90. Cost price is more than selling price. It is called loss. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss equal to cost price is 120 minus selling price is 90. So loss equal to 120 minus 90, 30. Loss is 30. Loss percent equal to loss is 30 by cost price. Cost price is 120. 120 into 100. 30 one time, 30 4 times. 4 one time, 4 25 times. 100. Loss percent equal to 25%. Loss is 30 and loss percentage is 25%.